Hey everyone, it's Alan over at Cobblers Plus, and thank you for joining us in this video. This video is not one of our daily posts that we tend to put on YouTube or anything like that. This is a different one, I guess you can say. This is one that I'd like to mention to everyone. I know fall and winter is over. At least here in Colorado, we do have like springtime rains and it might still be snowing here and there, blotchy. But I think we're far enough into spring that we really need to take care of this right now. With everything over, I know some of the boots that you're no longer wearing, shoes as well, because the season is over and you're putting them up on the shelf in your closet in storage, wherever it may be. But I highly recommend that before doing so, get those pairs of boots and shoes taken care of, because otherwise I know that there is going to be salts and minerals on them from walking around outside in that bad weather, and you definitely don't want that sitting on your leather goods, or even if they're a man-made material, you don't want that sitting on there for extended periods of time and eating away and degrading that material. So definitely make sure those are taken care of. If you're not somebody that does it yourself, bring them by to our shop. We'll take care of it. We've got a couple of package deals available right now. At $50, we could do 3 pairs of shoes for you, and you get to take home a can of this 4-season waterproofer to apply when it's time to start wearing those shoes again. At that $50 mark, we can do 2 pairs of boots, obviously, because boots are taller and take a little more time and effort. And same thing, you get to take care of this home with you to use when it's time to do so. And we're doing that mainly because we don't want to put on that waterproofer and have those sitting on the shelf, and then the waterproofer starts to kind of wear off just from sitting there on the shelf, which it can do. Not always, but sometimes it will. If you're not comfortable doing it yourself, save your receipt, bring it on by when it's time to start wearing those boots and shoes again, and we'll take care of it for free for you with that waterproofer. And we also have another option at $100. We'll do 7 pairs of shoes for you, and you get to take 2 cans of this stuff home with you. And we can do 5 pairs of boots for you at that same price with also 2 cans. So definitely bring them on by so that you can get them all prepared and you don't have to worry about it, especially when fall and winter kicks in. That's usually when we pick up in our industry, and it might be a little hard for us to be able to get it taken care of for you in a good short period of time. This way you're ready for it. You're ready for fall and winter. Get prepared ahead of time. Otherwise you're going to have issues on your footwear, not realizing that there might be something else wrong with it, or something may happen to them while they're just sitting there on the shelf. So get it all prepared, get it ready to go, and you'll be ready and set for fall and winter of this upcoming year. So swing on by. We'll take care of suedes, nubucks. We'll touch up the color on it, do desalting on it. On your finished leathers, we'll put a nice thin wax coat on there to give it a nice sheen, kind of shine to it. But not only that, that'll help significantly protect them as well from any kind of water and mineral damages. So swing by our shop and we'll get you going.